The work of the lawyer is to reconcile the wants and desires of all individuals, each equally entitled to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
It wasn't just a profession to make a living. It was more than that. It was an idealistic crusade to represent the poor, the downtrodden, the widow, the orphan, in which you're their champion.
Someone who understands the power of the position, but who will take that power to the people we serve.
My father, Sidney Sanders McMahon, and Henry Woods, they were pioneers, and they were terrific trial lawyers. Together, they were almost unbeatable.
Bill and I created Williams and Anderson. He was only the third member of the Arkansas Bar that's ever been asked to be president of the American Bar.
I'm the first woman elected to the Arkansas Supreme Court. There's always going to be conflict. The question is, how are we going to resolve these matters?
Scipio was a brilliant legal tactician. He was personally courageous.
My father was part of the big turn in Arkansas politics where the state did get a lot better on the race issue, and he was in the forefront of that.
During the spring, we were told that Central High would be desegregated the following fall, and those students who were interested should sign a list.
We took on something that we thought was just going to be going to high school, and it became an international event.
For Richard, there was no small case. That case was important and deserved every bit of his intellectual ability.
President Clinton basically said, I want to do something different. It afforded me an opportunity to be in the Attorney General's office, then the Governor's office, ultimately to be a member of the Arkansas Highway Commission.
He was motivated to be very active in the American Bar Association, and then later became the chairman of the House of Delegates.
I had proud thoughts of Thurgood Marshall being a black attorney coming in to represent us, to uphold these laws.
He wanted others to understand and to grasp the glory of the law. And so he was on the district court sitting in Little Rock, as well as other places across Arkansas.
He didn't want to be anywhere else, and he wanted to help Arkansas out of the mud and darkness, and it was not easy.
His personal courage is why he should be honored.
I don't know of another contemporary during his 60 years of practice who comes as close to the ideals of this organization.
I think the biggest legacy is who he was, his character, his magnificence as a great human being, a man of action who has ideals and courage.
He conducted himself as a judge the same way that he conducted himself as a person.
The recognition of being a member of this class is critical to saying this is someone who's an important part of our bar and our history.
It's such a great honor for him to be on this list. He loved the law, and he wasn't shy about it.